Hi, I'm Lee Stevens from easycurtains.co.uk. Now, I want to show you, if you buy one of our corded curtain tracks and it's going to be ceiling fixed, that's either within a bay or on the returns out of a bay, or it's just a straight track across a straight window. I just want to show you how to make sure, especially on the corded end, that it's securely fixed to the ceiling. So let's go over to the workbench and have a quick look what I'm talking about. Okay, so we've got the end of the track here. Now on the end of the pulley here, we have a little hole, and that is for securing to the ceiling with a screw through the hole. So we have ceiling fixed brackets that are going to be fitted to the track when you buy it, and it'll be towards the end of the track here, and you'll have them across the track. Now, you'll be fixing that securely, but having this fixed securely means that when you're pulling these cords, operating your curtains, and especially on bigger tracks, and there's more weight, it will make sure that when it's just into plasterboard in the ceiling, that having two fixings closer together means that it's going to be a lot more secure. You may be really lucky when you put either this screw in or this screw in, it goes straight into a piece of timber behind the plasterboard. But if it's only into plasterboard, then having two close together is a lot better. It's not as critical on the other end, but you can do the same on the other end pulley, even though you may not be pulling the cords on that end. If it's corded to both sides, then absolutely do it to both sides. So hopefully that was useful, and thank you very much for watching.